A Norwegian sailor in 1700, a Japanese fisherman in 1400, an ancient Greek philosopher writing 300 years before Christ. None of them ever met. None of them ever shared a map, a book, or a language. But every single one of them described the exact same monster. In 900 AD, Norse sailors wrote about a creature called the Hofgufa, so enormous it was mistaken for an island. Ships would anchor on its back, then it would sink. Japanese coastal legends describe the Akkorokamui, a red, many-armed beast rising from the ocean floor, large enough to drag entire fishing boats beneath the surface. Ancient Greek writers described the Cetus, a sea beast with writhing limbs that attacked ships from below, coming from depths no one had ever reached. Medieval Arabic texts spoke of the Bahamut, a creature of impossible size lurking beneath everything, beneath the ocean itself. And then there are the 18th century European sailor logs, hard-nosed men filing official reports, writing of arms as thick as a ship's mast, a body wider than their vessel, eyes the size of shields, writing it down not as legend, but as testimony. 4 cultures, 0 contact, thousands of miles apart, centuries between them, and every single one of them gave it arms. Let's list what they all agreed on. Multiple long arms, a body of enormous size. It comes from deep water, it attacks from below, and then it disappears back into the dark. This isn't a coincidence. Coincidences don't cross oceans. The question is, what were they actually seeing? Science decided it was time to find out. In 1857, a Danish naturalist named Japeta Steenstrup formally classified a species that had only ever existed in sailor stories. Architeuthis dux, the giant squid. He had never seen one alive. Nobody had, but the evidence was everywhere, if you knew where to look. Sperm whales washing ashore with massive circular scars on their skin. Suckers, each one the size of a dinner plate. Something in the deep was fighting whales and winning. Scientists began dropping cameras into the abyss. Years passed, decades, nothing. The creature existed, the scars proved it. But the deep ocean doesn't give up its secrets easily. Then, in 2004, a Japanese research team finally captured the first ever photograph of a living giant squid in its natural habitat, 900 meters below the surface. And in 2012, the first footage of one, alive, in the deep, in the dark. Architeuthis dux, up to 13 meters long, longer than a school bus, including its 2 feeding tentacles. Its eyes are the largest of any living animal on Earth, roughly the size of a dinner plate, built to detect the faintest bioluminescence in total darkness. It lives in crushing cold, in absolute black, at depths that would kill a human in seconds. Now, imagine you are a sailor on a wooden boat in the 1700s. It is night, the ocean is calm, and something 13 meters long rises slowly beneath your hull. You see the arms first. The sailors weren't imagining things. They just didn't have a word for what they saw. We've mapped less than 20% of the ocean floor. The giant squid was considered pure myth until we photographed one. So here's the question nobody wants to sit with. If the Kraken turned out to be real,
What else are we still calling legend?